What's up, trumpet players of the world? If you want to play from the lowest of the trumpet to the highest of the trumpet that efficiently, listen up. You've probably in the past tried the Cat Anderson method. You've probably tried countless player logs. Look, Louis Armstrong. And you still can't play into the upper register. You've probably spent several $1,000s on gold-plated paperweights trying to get a high C that efficiently and effectively. You probably thought this one can do it where the other ones couldn't. But you didn't work on your technique. You didn't work on how you breathe. You didn't work on how to set up your mouthpiece. You didn't work on anything. You just thought, well, maybe this latest, shiniest mouthpiece will get me to that high C efficiently and effectively rather than working on your technique. So if you want to learn how to do it, this is how you do it. You need to have the air hit your lips, not your teeth, unaffected by the angle of your trumpet or the amount of top or bottom lip that you use. You need to be able to breathe efficiently and effectively so that when you go to approach that high C, it's not going to split because of whatever mouthpiece you use. You also need to understand that everyone has their own jaw type, muscular type, jaw structure, teeth structure, gear that they're playing, and everyone needs their own way to play it. There's not one way to skin a cat. So how do you learn all these different things to being able to play in the upper register? Well, you don't buy a mouthpiece that's full of water. You don't need to do that. What you need to do is approach the trumpet in a systematic way that makes sense for yourself. So what I've done is I've created a 1-hour masterclass where you can learn everything that I've done so you could save thousands on this. You get my 3 free books so you can throw them across the room like I did. You can check those out. Now, why am I giving this stuff all away for no cost? Well, I'll be totally honest with you. I want some of you as students, not all of you. I want some of you, and I want to wow those future students with so much free information that you want to study with me. You don't have to. But if you watch this 1-hour masterclass and it makes sense and you want to, you do have that ability. Okay? I'm going to be totally upfront with you. That's the whole purpose of this. This is how I fund my ads. So if you're interested in changing your trumpet playing so you can pick up a trumpet and get a high C every single time, what you need to do, click that link, register for my class, and take your trumpet playing into your hands and control the trumpet rather than the other way around. And if you don't want to, that's totally fine. But I'm sure that if I see you in the class, you will have a change in your trumpet playing the moment that you watch it. If not, what did you lose? Nothing. I hope to see you all in my class. Take care.